Ano ang isang bagay na pinakaayaw ng lalaki sa babae?
Nagger. Nagiging allowed ang nagging kung yung asawa mo naging nagger kasi niloko mo siya. You have to live with it. Dahil ang babae, historical kayo. Sabi ko lagi sa programa to, pag niloko mo ang wife mo, kahit nasunugan ka lang ng sinaing, dudugtong dun yung panloloko mo. Hindi mo binantayan, hayop ka, naalala ko 10 years ago, niloko mo ako. Laging lalabas
historical
yan.
nga ang
And you have
babae.
to learn how to live with it. Pero kung nagnanag lang ang babae ng sinusumpong lang, malamang sa malamang maluloko ka.
But you just have to find the right person na kaya mong i-tolerate
Totoo. Totoo.
yung nagging.
Totoo,
Kung
ma'am.
mahal mo talaga.
Totoo. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao kaya mo i-tolerate eh.
Yes.
May kakapikunan ka talaga eh.
Pero kung mahal mo, matsyatsaga mo yan, mapagtitiisan mo yan.
Feeling ko ang totoong pagmamahal yung may nararamdaman ka ng pain na hindi mo na gustong sabihin because you don't want to bother the serenity of whatever is going on. You hold it in. Kaya mga lalaki, di ba, we battle in emotion. From a perspective of a guy. I'm sure marami mga lalaki makakarelate dito, yung nagmamahal na, that when you are so in love, you would rather not make your emotion a part of what you have to deal with.
Ayaw mo na maging problema pa ng relasyon niyo.
Yes, kasi yung wife mo,
dinadala mo.
emosyon na siya eh. Or yung girlfriend mo, emosyon na siya eh. Huwag ka nang sumali doon.
There are many things that men do not talk about
Yes, ma'am.
and keep it to themselves.
Yes, ma'am. Akin na lang siya. I will just fight my own demons. Kasi ang societal expectation, macho kami. Diba? Society cannot see us emotionally naked. So, we don't talk about it.
What makes a marriage beautiful para sa iyo?
When they can love each other, even when they're fighting. I always say this, na pag nag-host ako ng kasal, that the sweetest I love yous are said during a fight. Try mo, nag-aaway kayo, mag-I love you ka, tapos ang away. Bago ka mag-walk out, mag-I love you ka, umalis ka. Kahit kasalanan mo, talo siya.
It killed everything.
Yo, totoo.
It killed everything.
Extinguish lahat talaga.
Nawawala. Talagang love wins all the
Totoo
time.
yan.
And forgiveness. Tama yung sinabi
It's
mo.
the sweetest I love yous you can hear during a fight. Because when things are easy, it's easy to fall in love. True love is when there are all the reasons to walk away and yet you stayed. When you find the right person, it's just beautiful to surrender things to that person. Doesn't mean na he or she is better than you. Because love is surrender. Pagsuko ang pag-ibig.